the transformation in just minutes. Could I be more excited? I don't think so. I have been seeing these hair extensions all over my TikTok. They're 100% real hair. That means you can wash and style them, heat style them specifically. You obviously get the hair. They give you a little instruction book and a little clippy. I chose to get clip-in extensions because I'm the kind of person that doesn't want something to stay on me 24/7. Same thing for my lashes. I do my own lashes every day. I want to take my hair in and out every day too. These are the 20-inch extensions. I'm so excited. And I just noticed that they gave you 2 little extra clips in case you need them. Very nice. There's one with 4 clips, 2 with 3 clips, 2 with 2 clips, and 2 with 1 clip. Something to keep in mind about clip-in extensions, it's a lot of hair. You don't have to use all the hair that you're given. Am I going to? Yes. But do you have to? No. Okay, let's put in the hair. I'm also going to do a little tease just to give the clips something to hold on to. I'm going to do a row of 3. I'm going to do 2 of the 2s, and then I'm going to do the row of 4. I'm going to do another row of 3, and then I'm going to use the ones on the side. Okay, can we talk about like this color match that I did? I am so proud of myself for being realistic with how blonde I thought I was and how much dark I actually do have in my hair, and I just think it looks so good. Okay, let me style it. Look at it. This is an absolute, yes, this hair is amazing. I'm obsessed. The transformation in just minutes. So a fun little hack that comes with the territory of clip-in extensions is that I have already curled my whole head, including the extensions. So when I take them out tonight, they will still be curled. When I wake up tomorrow and want to get ready, I can just touch up my own curls, throw the extensions back in, and not really have to do a thing because the hard work was already done. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have, but if it's not obvious, I think you should get these. Highly recommend.